So we came up with this wild-ass plan, totally Canadian plan.
Well, we like to do things to a new level every time if we can.
Well, we're doing something pretty wild and crazy.
And it's something unique that no one else has done, right?
We have an expression with the guys I hang with. We're going to come in hot. This is a journey of a beer fridge to Red Deer, Alberta, center of the universe. And it's all about Hockey Canada and the Olympics and having a great time with some friends on a Canadian winter day and cheering on the red and white.